Good morning, class 2. So, class 2, hope you all are doing well. Other chapters you might have written in your copy, you have learned. Okay, today I have conducted your test. Hope you have done well. And we have completed chapter 1, chapter 2 also. Now we are in chapter 3. Last week I taught you about input, that is, I have taught about input and output device. So in last week we have done about input device. So input device, I gave you example, that was your mouse, keyboard. It was the example of your input. Again we are revising. So what is input? So data instruction that is given into a computer, it is called input device. So any data instruction that are given to a computer, it is called input device. I've shown you with the help of a mouse, with the help of a keyboard. Okay, so in a keyboard when we type, so everything is transferred to the computer. You can see on the monitor screen. So that is an example of your input device. Mouse, with the help of a mouse we are able to make diagrams. So that is an example of an input device. Okay, so what we have done in the last class, today I have done the revision of that. So you see, today we are going to do about output device. So please look at the blackboard. So see children, today we are going to learn about output device. So first you have to learn the definition. What is output device? So see, device shows the result of the work done by the computer. That means when we do any work, suppose you are typing your name, okay, and when your name comes on the monitor screen, so that means the device which shows the result, that means which device is showing the result. You are typing on the keyboard, keyboard is your input device. So which device is showing you the result? Which device will show you the name? Monitor. Okay, so monitor will show the name that you are typing. So that is why monitor will be called as your output device. So you see here, so device which shows the result of the work that you do, that you have done, okay, in a computer, that is called output device. Okay, see, I'll be drawing diagram and I'll show you. Please look at the blackboard. Suppose this is your monitor screen. Okay, this is your monitor screen, this is your keyboard. Please look very carefully. Okay, now you see, when we want to write name, what we do, we type on the keyboard. So you have already, you know, on the keyboard they are different types of keys. You have number key, you have numeric key, you have special keys. Okay, now you see, suppose you want to write any spelling. Okay, for example, you want to write about house, House, house you want to write. So when you will type, you are typing H is coming. You are typing O is coming. You are typing U is coming. You are typing S is coming. You are typing E is coming. So you see, when you are typing on the keyboard, the word is coming on the monitor screen. This is your monitor. This is your monitor, and this is your keyboard. This is your keyboard, and this is your monitor. You all know. Okay, now see, so when we are typing, suppose you are typing HOUSE house. So you see where you can see the result. You can see the result on the monitor screen. You can see on the monitor. That means this is the result. This is the result given by the computer. So this part of a computer, it is called your output device. That means you are entering data with the help of input, that is your keyboard, and you can see now you have typed here house. Where you can see on the monitor screen, that is on the monitor. So that is why monitor is called what? It is called output device, and keyboard is called input device. So you see, output device, once more you see with the definitions, device shows the result of the work done by the computer. That means whatever the result okay, is shown, that is shown with the help of your output device only. So monitor is called here what? It is called output device. And you are typing, okay, so you are sending the data to the monitor, that means this is your input device and monitor is your output device. Okay, hope you have understood. So you see, once more I am repeating, see. Okay, now you see, once more we are going to read out the definition. So you see, device shows the result of the work done by the computer. That means the result which is shown. Okay, when we do the work, when the result is shown, that device which is showing the result, that device is called output device. That means here monitor. Okay, monitor is your which device? Monitor is your output device. Okay children, so you see monitor is giving us the result. That's why monitor is called output device. So one more drawing we will do with the help of a diagram, you will understand more. Now we have done the spelling of house with the help of a keyboard. Now we are going to make a diagram with the help of a mouse. Mouse is also your input device. So you see here. Now suppose this is your mouse, this is your computer mouse. Okay, this is your computer mouse. Now suppose you have been asked to make a drawing. You all know that you are making drawing in the computer lab with the help of a mouse. So mouse is your input device. You have already learned in class 1 also. Okay, so mouse is your input device and this monitor is your output device. Now suppose you have been asked to make a drawing. Suppose you are making a tree. Okay, so when you are making a drawing, you have to use input device. That means you have to use the mouse. Can you make a drawing without a mouse? Is it possible for you all? Now you are in standard 2. It is not possible. Okay, so you all are using mouse, that you are using mouse, that is input device, to make a beautiful drawing. Like in class 1 you have made many drawings. Okay, you have loved to make it, you have put color. So in that case, what you were using? You are not using the keyboard, you were using the mouse to make the beautiful diagram. So mouse is your input device and monitor is your output device. Why? Because monitor will give you the result. You are going to make tree. Okay, now you see, when you will hold this mouse and you will make a tree. See, you are making a beautiful tree. You made a tree. Okay, you made a tree. Now you see, you have entered the data. You are entering data with the help of mouse. That means mouse is your input device. And when you made a drawing, you see the result. Where it is shown? Where is the drawing shown? Directly on the piece of paper? No, it is shown on the monitor screen. That means this monitor screen is giving you the result. You have made the drawing. So you see, this drawing is shown on the monitor screen. That is why this monitor is called output device. So output device shows you the result, that work which is done by the computer. Okay children, so you see mouse here is transferring the data. So that's why mouse is your input device and monitor is giving the result what you have done. It is showing. That's why monitor is called output device. Okay, once more you see the definition. Look, output device. Device shows the result of the work done by the computer. That means whatever work is done by the computer with any device which is showing the result, those devices are called output device. Okay, so you will keep in your mind. So there are so many output devices are there. Not only monitor is giving you the result, printer. Suppose now this tree, you want to print it out. If you have a printer, you can print out on a paper. Same diagram will come on a paper. Okay, so you see monitor is also your output device. Printer is also output device. Speaker. Okay, now listen about speaker. Suppose you want to listen a song. You know, a monitor, there are so many computer where monitors has small speaker also. You have seen in computer lab, maybe you have at your home also. So you see, suppose you want to listen a song. So when you play a song, from where the result will come, from where the music will come, the music will come from the speaker. Okay, from the speaker. So the speaker is also an example of your that is your output device. Okay, because it is giving you result, it is giving you, you are able to hear the sound music from the speaker. So speaker is also called output device. Okay, so you see so many things we can do. Now your monitor, it is an output device. Monitor, you see, it is looking like a television screen. You have a television in your home, so similar. Okay, now you see similar type of screen you can see here also. So monitors also are very similar to your television screen. Okay, now it shows the computer of doing. So whatever you're doing in computer with the help of mouse, you're typing with the help of a keyboard, so everything will be shown on a monitor screen only. Okay, without monitor can we do any work? No, because where you will see, we cannot see. So monitor is very important. Okay, now see, many times you want to play game in a computer, so where you will see and play the game without looking, can you play the game? Is it possible? It is not possible. So when you're playing game, you have to see the screen. So where you will see the screen, you will see it on the monitor. Suppose you are watching cartoon in a computer. Okay, so you see, when you are watching a cartoon, where you will watch the cartoon, you are going to watch the cartoon on a monitor screen. Okay, so that's why whatever work we are doing, the result we can see on the monitor screen. That is why monitor is called output device. It is the output, it produces result, whatever work is done in a computer. Okay, and this monitor, it is also known as VDU, that is visual display unit. Okay, see children, this monitor, okay, it is also known as VDU. Okay, now you will read with me this one, visual. Okay, so V for visual display unit. Okay, so you see VDU, what is video means? So this monitor screen is also called video. So V for visual, visual means we are able to see. On monitor screen you are able to see, you are not only hearing, you can hear the sound with the help of speaker, and you can see the thing is going on, that is on the monitor screen. Visual display unit, that means visual, the pictures are displaying on the monitor screen. That is why monitor is also called VDU, and the video full form is visual display unit. Okay, I'm reading out the spelling also. VISUAL, visual display, 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 unit, UNIT. So VDU, what does it stand for? It stands for visual display unit. Okay, so monitor is also known as VDU. If anyone will ask you what do you mean by VDU, so you are going to give the full form, visual display unit. Okay, so don't make any mistake while you are giving this definitions. Okay, so you see, it is very important. Okay, now you see, so just now I have said you that it is very important screen, because without monitor screen we cannot do anything. Okay, now see, at your home also, if television is not there, can you watch cartoon? Can you watch your favorite program? No, it is not possible. If music system is there, yes, you can hear the music. Okay, but if there is a screen is there, television screen is there, you can look, you can see. So here also monitor helps you to see everything, whatever you do in your computer. That's why monitor is also known as what? Visual display unit. So it is called what? Visual display unit. Okay, it is called visual display unit. Okay, now you see children, we are going to talk about speaker. Okay, now you see, you know, speaker, it is there beside computer screen, monitor screen. You have a two speaker, you might have seen. Okay, so this speakers helps. What does the speaker do? With the help of a speaker, you can hear the music, you can hear the sound. When you play a music, you can hear the music. So that is also an example of your output device. Next is printer. Now you see in printer also, what do you do? There are so many types of printers are there. Dot max printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Printer means what? Suppose you have a printer, okay, in your home there is a printer is there. Suppose this is your printer, okay, this is your printer. Now suppose this printer is connected with computer. Now you want to draw this one, so you will keep the papers here, all the papers, printing papers, and when you will hear print command is there, so when you will give a print command, so what will happen on the paper, it will come out that tree have been printed. Okay, so you see this is also giving out result. So printer is also an example of your output device. Okay, it is also example of your output device. Okay, so you see today we have learned about output device. So what are the output device? Once more, output device is your monitor, okay, output device is your speaker and printer. So these three are your output device of a computer. So this output device, what? Once more, last time you see. So what is output device? Device shows the result of the work done by the computer. So printer is also giving you the result, monitor is also giving you the result, speaker is also giving you the result. So monitor, speaker, okay, and printer, these three are example of your output device. Okay children, so today I'm keeping you up to here. In next class, same chapters, we will continue with the topic storage device. So you all please look the video properly. You all are not looking, I'm not looking, many are not viewing the video. You should listen to the video very properly, okay, and try to understand slowly, and whatever work is given you write in your copy and learn it, okay. And when school will open, I will check your copy. You must do your work and you should, okay, see, because you are getting every week, once in a week only you are getting a computer, okay. So please, okay, look the video and listen it what is taught. Now you got the books also, so you go through the books also and read properly, okay. So today I'm keeping up to here. Thank you.